Hello, I'm working on my dad's air compressor. It's a Dewalt D55141, and we have to replace the air regulator. What this does is it makes it cut off when it goes to 150 psi and turns back on at 120 psi. So we're just taking this off right now.
What is that?
This?
Yes, what is that?
Where the air gets compressed.
That's right, it's the compressor motor.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, what are you doing now?
I have to take off this with the crescent wrench.
Yeah, you gotta keep going. I don't know if that valve should slip. Keep going. Let's see. Keep turning it. I could just cut it, and yeah, we're gonna cut that and put a
new one.
An air. Yeah, let's just cut it. Might want to cut it a little higher. Careful. Go ahead and pull the air compressor out. See if you can pop it out. Hit it from this side.
This side?
From this side. Oh, just push it. There you go. Look at that. Got a snag?
It was just this, I think, getting in the way.
Wait, I see.
I see.
Let's see what you got. You got a what?
This is getting, this still connected. I just cut this air hose that was connected right here because it wouldn't allow us to take the motor out. So, I got it out. And
unscrew the screws now. What kind are they?
wait.
Can't really tell. It's most probably a socket.
Let me. Yeah. Drill with the extender piece with the star bit on it to take these off.
Now hold it. Okay. Don't lose this. That should be out. All right. See if now just wiggle it. See if the whole thing comes out. There you go. It's coming out. Open it up. All right. Just push it off to the side.
But I gotta make sure the screws don't get loose.
Some piece fell in there. Then I saw.
Rusty.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. That's there. Okay.
Where's it? The screws. Make sure we don't lose them.
Yeah. All right. Hold on. Hold on.
I'm taking them out.
All right. That's the piston.
Okay.
Just carefully pull that motor out. I'll tell you what, pull the plastic thing off.
All right.
You see the pressure regulator yet?
Yeah, I see the wire.
That's the regulator switch. Look at it. It's just like the
oh.
Oh, this is one. Take that screw. Catch that screw.
Okay.
Yeah, we had to cut that hose because that's a new hose that comes with it.
In here.
That goes to the side of the motors. It goes to the little sides of the motors on the other side.
We'll just wait till we see it.
Okay, go ahead and carefully see if you can pull that regulator in. See if it comes disconnected. There you go.
All right.
All right, so the red switch is goes to the power. Now all you got to do is just reconnect. Where's the actual
The new one's right
switch?
here.
Okay, go ahead and why don't you go ahead and install that one.
Bruh, I just ain't post it.
It's alright.
You got it in reverse. Is it in?
Not yet.
All right, there we go. Not too tight. You know, this is only plastic. All right, there we go. We installed the new regulator switch. All right. All right, we're gonna pause. What are we doing now?
I'm about to cut off the wire on the old air pressure regulator so we could attach the new one. I have to cut the tie strap, and then I got to put a new tie strap on it.
Yeah, you want to put that tie strap there because that's what the designers did, and they probably put that there to keep the wires from touching something they shouldn't. So go ahead.
Gotta be
careful.
really careful.
Yes. Hold the wire. Hold the wire.
Whoa.
It's off.
All right, now I'm
All right, now
snap.
disconnect the yellow one.
Jeez. It just snaps off.
Just work it. Just work it back and forth. There you go. Now you got the old, shows the old pressure regulator. Now shows the one that's installed. inside. Can I look inside? See, there it is in place. It's the exact same thing. We got OEM parts. All right, now what we need to do possibly is lay the motor. Let's lay the motor back in here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. That's right there.
Hold up. Can break this.
Oh yeah, we don't want to. All right, good. We're in place.
I'm pretty sure it's.
Now go ahead and
connect them.
Connect the yellow wire to where the other one was. Nice. All right. All right, good. All right, now go ahead and let's put the top back on. Now, make sure we're all aligned.
All right.
Go right over there and plug it in and make sure the power's up. There you go. All right, go ahead. We'll put the compressor back in to its frame. Move this hose.
Well, now it's not going to slide in the frame. Wait, is it?
All right. That's good. Not too tight. What are you doing?
Putting the air hose on.
I would turn this like this. That way you can get it from the top. You want to strip that hose. It doesn't really need too much pressure. All right. Let's pick it up. Let's go give it this operational test. What pressure do we want it to cut off at?
150.
150? All right, the tank pressure. Whoa! 150.
And that's how you fix a Dewalt air pressure regulator.
Dewalt will be proud.